Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone who is generous, kind, and forgiving, magnanimous. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is magnanimous. Let's break it down. First, we have mag, which rhymes with bag. Next is nan, which rhymes with man and is the stressed syllable. Then comes a quick unstressed sound like the A in sofa. Finally, mus sounds like mus in famous. Now, let's put it all together. Magnanimous. Try repeating after me, magnanimous. Now a little faster, magnanimous. And at full speed, magnanimous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Magnanimous refers to someone who is generous in spirit, especially when forgiving others or rising above pettiness. It describes a person who shows kindness, fairness, and a noble character. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce magnanimous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.